Okay, time for some basic dude stuff. Today we're going to learn how to check and possibly refill our windshield washer fluid. Come with me. First step, we need to open the hood. If we look, there's a little picture of a car down there with the hood open. That, in the law enforcement world, is what we like to call a clue. If we pull that, the hood opens. Magical. Now we're going to raise the hood. Perfect. All right, as we gaze into this mysterious area known as the engine compartment, we're going to look for something that possibly may resemble something that looks like a windshield wiper. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is right there. Pull that. We look inside and we don't see anything. That might be a clue. We need to refill it. As luck would have it, we had some windshield wiper fluid right here with us. So we go ahead and we open it. We might need that cap later. We take the bottle. Took almost the whole bottle. Now the last step is we actually see if it works. Looky there, looky there, looky there. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And that is what we call basic dude stuff. Filling your windshield wiper washer fluid. Next time, you get to do it.